Well, I guess we started at the beginning. I met Keith when he first came to the St. George area, was having another car serviced by a BMW friend of Keith's, both factory trained guys, and got to interface with Keith, found out what he was kind of about as he was trying to get things off the ground, and a Mercedes sports coupe came in, and I had a bucket list wanting to get one of those eventually, and I said, when I do, you're my guy. And Keith has been my guy ever since. Credible. If I need something, he gets on it. He's an honest guy. And it boils down to me. I'm an old car guy from way back, and if I find somebody that I feel confident in and that there's credibility, I stick with them. And Keith and I have developed a relationship to where at Christmas time I make a candy. They're better than Reese's peanut butter cups, but I bring them as a token of our relationship, on top of being a top quality technician, Mercedes technician, we'll call it. And I just have total confidence in him. And I have a fairly expensive vehicle, and I maintain, and he helps me do that. If I have questions, I come in and he kind of gets me planted in the direction I need to go. So anyway, very credible, very competent, and just a good guy.